happy Wednesday. Sorry Monday's vlog was quite sad with the dead baby seal, as well as yesterday's vlog. We also didn't expect that to happen to Ryan's family dog who passed away. That was kind of a rough day and hard, but let's get back on a happy note. Start today's vlog. Hope you guys enjoy it. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, hit that button, and hit the little bell too, guys, for updates and know when our vlogs are up. Someone wrote, "I love Emily" in a random square block on the rock. Interesting. Ooh, look at this trail. Pretty. It is so nice out today, guys. I didn't even need a jacket. Look at everything. So pretty. There's no snow on this trail, which is fantastic. Jersey's enjoying it. Show you guys more of the trail. Ooh, it's a lot of winding and turning. Go this way. Now we're gonna go this way. Nice birch tree. Ooh, check this out. Which way should we go, guys? Should we go left or right? Nothing worse than a fork in the road. That sign back there says main trail. Can you guys see it? Let's go off the main trail. We're gonna go this way. Oh, look at the little bird feeder in the tree. We're gonna go this way. Jersey. Ooh, I love boardwalks, and you guys know that. Hear the birds chirping? Oh, that's a crow. Apparently this is the Grove, is the name of this part of the trail. Sorry, I'm steady shaking. Jersey's in my hand, guys. Ooh. Still going on the boardwalk. Guys see anything? No, don't see nothing. Where this is actually a new and recent trail, guys, you can actually smell the cut trees from where they had to cut them to make the boardwalk to put it through, so we can have this gorgeous trail. And I love the smell of fresh cut trees. Smells so nice. Saga of mittens on the trail is continuing. Look, guys, another one on this trail. Do you guys remember when I was going for walks on the other trails and that's all we were finding were mittens and hats just everywhere? Seems like that person who's leaving them is up this way now too. Very interesting. Well, that's the end of this way. It comes out to a street. Oh, this is really cute here too. Coming to a bridge. Yeah, we're at some houses, so we might turn around, guys, and go back. Maybe hit that other trail, the main one, or we'll go up this way. Look. See how there's a trail up this way? That's the way we just went. Let's go up here. There's another one, guys. This one says Grassy Knoll. Should we go that way or this way? Let's go this way. What is up this way? Ooh, lots of fields. Oh, it just stops. It stops to a field. Guess we're turning around again. And we'll go down this way. Oh, that's not true. We'll go down this way, which connects back up to that trail we were just at. At least we think. I don't know, it just stops. Oh, there's like rock steps. Okay, we'll go down the rock steps. Hey, okay, back on the trail we were just on. There's lots of like hidden little trails and areas here. I love it. We're gonna go up any that we see, guys, I promise. Oh, we're back to this area. Let me switch hands for a second with the camera. We can go up this way, random boardwalk. I'm guessing this is the field again. Let's see. Yeah, we just got some picnic tables up here. Ooh, this is really pretty up here. The only thing I don't like about it is the fact that the picnic tables are overlooking a marsh and the main road. Ooh, you guys see that? That's actually for bats to stay in. Yay, we're back on the boardwalk. I love the boardwalk. Alright guys, we already went that way. Remember I was telling you about the main trail sign? So let's go this way. The main trail. Yay! See? That's another nice thing about this trail. They have so many benches that you can sit down and just relax and enjoy the wilderness and nature. And back on the windy trail. Right, Jers? Ooh, I like this part too, guys. The trees hanging over the trail. Ooh, this is nice. Show you over here. And over this way. A log bench to sit down on. Look how big these trees are. Well, that was a really nice trail, guys. The only downfall of it, the fact that the main road is right here, and on the entire walk, all you could hear was traffic going back and forth. So it was a nice nature walk. It took you away from all that for a little bit, but you were still reminded almost on every turn, because you could sometimes see the cars, or you could hear them, or where the trail is along a bunch of houses and stuff, you were pretty much walking just in the outskirts of people's backyards and stuff like that on the trail as well. I have some exciting news, especially you McDonald's fans. Look what's now in Canada. How exciting! It's McChicken sauce, guys! Big Mac sauce isn't here yet, but apparently it's going to be here soon. I'm really happy because I love McChicken sauce. People say it's like mayo. No, there's a difference, guys. There's definitely a difference. As well, Ryan cannot wait for Big Mac sauce to hit the shelf. Hopefully soon, because like I said, they did say that it will be here very, very soon. McChicken sauce is here. Hopefully soon, Big Mac sauce is here. Yes! So when should the white go on it? Tomorrow? Right?
Basically what we want done here, Jenny. Just tape up along there and just let the paper drape down.
Okay. Okay, I'll do that now. Just showing them the car again. That's gonna look awesome. And the other day I couldn't really show it because I was just ready to go home and tired. You guys gotta check out what his shirt says. It says, "I may be small, but I am the boss." That is so right, isn't it, Jersey? Jers? And poked in on the wall there. Lots of tires there. I see you. Poor Jersey boy's so exhausted after a busy day, aren't you, Jersey? Huh? You exhausted? Tired? Well, it's the main thing. Well, guys, he got a full set of out of it, which was great. And Jersey's falling asleep. Well, not now. He was falling asleep, but anyway. He got a full set of tires, guys, out of it, which was fantastic, and didn't pay a cent, which is also really good, because for that class, they don't need brand new tires. So why pay for tires when you can go to local garages and get them for free? We love free. Are you happy now?
Well, there's one set. It's not the size that I wanted. It's smaller than what I wanted, but
It'll do for the first one, wouldn't it? Or at least practice.
well, what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to run illegal tires first, see if they catches up on it, and then if they do, I'll throw that set on, because then it's all the same size tires all the way around.
Thank you so much for watching again today, guys, and to everybody who subscribed, we greatly appreciate it. Thank you again for watching. We'll see you again tomorrow. Don't forget to check it out. Bye, guys.